Hello children, welcome to Snehit Siddhganga City Central English Medium High School. So let's continue with our first chapter, that is Johnny Apple Seed. So this is the last part of the first lesson. First I will read the paragraph and then we'll explain you children. Children, you have studied that Johnny, his name is John Chapman, and what he used to do, he took a leather bag and then he collected all the apple seeds, and on the way wherever he goes he sowed the apple seeds in the soil and put watering to that apple seeds. So what happened in this? What is his aim, his idea? His aim and his idea is to grow the apple tree everywhere. If Johnny will sow the apple seed in the soil, then with the rainwater and with the people who will water the plants, the apple tree will grow, and that apple tree will give us lots of apple to eat. So where the Johnny used to live? The Johnny used to live in America, and he used to do this thing. And you have also studied that Johnny was not alone. Many animals were his friends. Not only animals, even the people where Johnny used to live in the town, they were also his friends. But Johnny was from America, but he will not stay in only one town, means village. He used to move from one village to another village by sowing the apple seeds in the soil. So let's read the last paragraph of your textbook, page number 3. Okay, so children, all of you open the page number 3. I'll read the paragraph and then we'll explain you. But Johnny did not stay. I have work to do, he would say. I am happy. The whole world is my home. So who is saying this? Johnny is saying. Why he is saying? In the last video you have studied that the people who are living in the town, they became Johnny's friend and they request Johnny to stay with them. But Johnny is saying, no, I will not stay with you. I have lots of work to do. What work he is doing? He is sowing the apple seeds in the soil from one town to another town. Means on the way he will be sowing the apple seeds. This work he is doing, and he is saying that he has lots of work to do, means many work to do, and he is very much happy with the way he is living. What way he is happy of living? He is happy of sowing the apple seeds in the soil from one place to another, and wandering means moving from one place to another. So he is very much happy with this life, and he is saying that whole world, means all the world, is my home. In the spring the trees bloomed with white flowers. In the spring means when the spring season, it comes after the summer season, and in that season there will be flowers blooming on the tree. So all over there will be flowers blooming on the tree. That season is called as a spring season. Mainly in India the spring season will not be there, but in the America the spring season is there. And in our India there are 3 seasons. One is summer, monsoon and winter season. So here it is given that in the spring season the tree blooms with white flowers. Which color of flowers will be blooming on the tree? White color flowers will be blooming on the tree. In autumn there were apples, red, round and ripe apples. So in the autumn season, what happened? Autumn season is the season which is the season? It comes after winter season, means when summer season is about to come. Summer season is stepping, means summer season जब आने वाला रहता है उससे पहले होता है एक autumn season. And what happen in the autumn season? In the autumn seasons the red apples get ripes. Ripes means apple get पक जाते हैं. Apple will means raw apple will get ripe so that we can eat the apple. So जो fruits in the summer season, raw mangoes, how it will get ripe means raw mangoes it will get पक जाता है जो खाने के लिए आता है. Same like so apple भी पक जाते हैं जो हमें खाने के लिए easy हो जाता है. And it is very tasty to eat. Ripe apples are very tasty to eat. People made apple pies. Apple pies means apple cake. So people will make apple pies, apple cake from the pastries, apple pastries from the apple fruit. They made apple jam for the bread and apple juice to drink. And children had apple trees to climb on. So what will the people make? They will make the apple pastries, means apple pies. They will also make the apple jam and they will also make the apple juice. Apple jam is used to eat with chapatis and bread, and apple juice is used to drink, which is very healthy for us to drink apple juice. And children very enjoy these all things made from apple. It was all about of Johnny Appleseed. So children, this is the story of Johnny. So who is the Johnny? Johnny is the person of America who used to sow the apple seed wherever he goes. And this was all the story about Johnny Appleseed. So this was the story in this lesson, Johnny Appleseed. So children, read the story again and again and let's move with the meanings. Here is the meaning given. I'll read the meaning. Barefoot. Barefoot means I said you that the person who is not wearing any footwear, means any chappals, and he is walking with the barefoot, नंगे पैरों से जो चलेगा उसको नंगे पैरों को बोलते हैं barefoot. So wearing nothing on the foot. I told you that the person who is not wearing any slippers, any kind of footwear is called as a barefoot. Dug. Dug means to होल बनाना. सॉइल में खुदाई करके जो होल बनाते हैं that is called as digging. So to break up earth means we are taking the soil out with the machine or a hand is called as a dug. Hooted. Hooted means shouted loudly. Hooted means who used to shout loudly? Owl hooted. Here in the lesson, any sound of an animal or a bird is called as a hooted. So here is the hooted sound of a owl. Winked. So can you see children? We will be closing our eyelashes and opening. This is the winking. This is the winking part. So this is the winking part of our eyes. So closing and opening of our eyelashes is called as a winked. Bloomed. As I told you today, bloomed means खिले हुए. क्या खिला हुआ रहता है? Flowers. So white flowers will be blooming in the in the spring season. Produced flower means जो flowers खिलते हैं उसको बोलते हैं bloom. So children, please visit school for the notes. Okay, come and collect the notes and get it xerox and write in your classwork. Bye bye. Thank you.